worldwide. The Never Fine crooner, in a recent Instagram video, sought to set the record straight for those who, perhaps, believe that the accolade belongs to Vybz Kartel. Jah Cure, who is 42, was arrested back in November 1998 and served an 8-year prison sentence for twice raping and robbing a woman at gunpoint. Cure, who was 19 at the time, vowed that he had never seen her before. During his imprisonment, the young singer's popularity skyrocketed during the last leg of his sentence, following the release of his hits, singles Longing For, released in 2005, Love Is, 2005, and True Reflection, Prison Walls, released in 2007. In an Instagram video, Cure declared, "I, Jah Cure, is the first human being on Earth, the planet, to make music from prison and hit #1 worldwide. For those of you who don't have the full bio, listen this. Please write this down because me need for making a know my accolades and my levels and why Jah Cure is Jah Cure. I am the first human being to make music illegally in prison." He reiterated before explaining to his fans how he pulled it off. The Unconditional Love singer, who is currently in Europe, admitted that he had smuggled recording equipment into his tiny one-man cell to produce many of his songs before being transferred from the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center to the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center, which had a music program and a digital recording studio that the inmates could use. He said that he brought a piece of machine into the prison, and the warden that gave it to him told him that if anyone were to ask how he got the machine, he must tell them that he received it from Mr. Simo. For that, he sent big ups to Mr. Simo from Spanish Town and claims he has not forgotten him. It appears Jah Cure didn't snitch on Mr. Simo, however, but instead concocted a story to tell the authorities when they finally caught on to the operation. He recalled that he lied, saying that he had pre-recorded these songs before his incarceration. For more upcoming news, remember to like, share, and subscribe.